Hello, this is Alex from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce the Reebok Instapump Fury Road item of the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition that only has one product in stock. It's a Reebok Instapump Fury Road product. Reebok Fury is a hard-to-get model. Enjoy? It's not common to see a unique shoe-strap design among Instapump products. Also, Reebok's pump skills. It is a unique model that handles shoelaces in Reebok's Instapump series. It is equipped with hexarized Reebok's comfort function. And, above all, Reebok's pump technology is unique and famous as a fashion icon, so it is a popular product. This is the only new product in MovinsEdition that was Reebok Instapump Fury Road. Did you enjoy it? Reebok Fury is one of the most difficult models to get in size at home and abroad. It is an Instapump Fury Road item that has unique stitching and is applied with pump technology. I recommend it to people who are collecting shoes for the Reebok Pump and Manias. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.